Westinghouse 3200 PSI Electric Pressure Washer, the runner-up best electric pressure washer in 2024. This powerhouse is designed to tackle your toughest cleaning jobs with ease, boasting a robust 3200 psi and a flow rate of 1.76 gallons per minute. Whether you're blasting stubborn grime from decks and driveways or restoring the gleam to your vehicle, this machine is up to the task. The 3200 psi rating places it firmly in the heavy-duty category, comparable to many gas models, allowing it to handle demanding tasks like stripping decks, scrubbing concrete patios, and tackling tough stains on siding. Its 1.76 gallons per minute ensures efficient cleaning, allowing you to cover areas quickly without compromising on power. This means less time stuck on stubborn dirt and more time enjoying pristine surfaces. One of the standout features of this electric pressure washer is its consistent power delivery, thanks to its electric motor. Unlike gas models, you don't have to deal with refueling, oil changes, or starter cords. Simply plug it in, and it's ready to go. Plus, it's an environmentally friendly choice with no gas emissions or oil leaks to worry about. At the heart of the Westinghouse VPX 3200E is a high-performance induction motor, offering longevity and reliability over traditional brush motors found in some models. This durable construction means it's built to last, providing consistent power for all your cleaning needs. The combination of power, efficiency, and eco-friendliness makes the Westinghouse 3200 psi electric pressure washer a smart investment for anyone looking to tackle tough cleaning tasks with ease and environmental consciousness. Thumbs up